everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Christiane, a consultant for Thermomix USA, and today I'll be doing a little review on the Thermomix TM6 that was just launched last fall in the US. So the first question I get asked when I show people my Thermomix is, what is it? What does it do? Well, the easier answer would be to tell you the few things it doesn't do in the kitchen. I like to think of it as my kitchen assistant, and it does about over 20 different functions of other appliances in just one machine. So it's pretty cool, great to have, and I'm really excited to share it with you today. Today I'll be going through the parts of it, talk a little bit about the touchscreen and what you can do on the digital display, but I'll be posting future videos that dive a little bit deeper into all of these functions. Okay, so let's go over the different parts of the Thermomix TM6. I'll start with the Vorwerk dish. So this just sits on the top of the machine. It comes with a lid, a tray, and a dish. And you use these parts mostly to steam vegetables or fish, and it could just sit right on top of the bowl, and the steam from underneath cooks the food inside of this dish. So next we have the splattering lid. This just prevents hot oil or anything that's splattering out of the bowl from burning you. Good to have. And this is just the lid of the mixing bowl, so it also comes with a measuring cup you can sit inside to plug this hole here. And inside of the mixing bowl we have the simmering tray with lid, so you can again put food inside of this basket to cook inside of the mixing bowl. And lastly, we have a stainless steel mixing bowl that sits right inside of the base here. It comes with a really sharp knife inside. So you can use this for chopping, you can use it for shredding meats. If you run the blade backwards, it carefully mixes or even shreds meats that have been slow cooked. And if you run it forwards, it has a chopping or milling function. So this mixing bowl is where all the magic happens. You can cook soups inside. It chops for you, cooks in purees. You can use it as a rice cooker. You can slow cook meats. You could use it as a blender for smoothies. You could boil water inside for tea or coffee. You can make hot chocolate. And my favorite part is you can make bread dough inside. So this mixing bowl is really great for making pizza dough, and the dough can actually be kneaded inside in a couple minutes. So normal work by hand and super quick and easy. Alright, so next I'm going to go over the touchscreen display. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm just turning on the machine with the press of a button. It's on the Thermomix TM6. It's something that really sets this machine apart from other appliances. It has an integrated recipe database that uses your home Wi-Fi. You could add your favorite recipes, create your collections, pull them right up here on the screen, and the machine will walk you step by step on the cooking process. It also has all the different temperature and timer functions, and it also acts as a scale. So everything is done right here on the touchscreen. Okay, so hopefully you have a better idea of what the Thermomix TM6 is all about. I'll be posting additional videos that go a little bit deeper into all the different functions, so make sure to check those out so you really get a good sense of all the different things this amazing machine can do. And thank you so much for joining me today. See you guys soon.